Welcome friends. We continue the revise of the Python language in this tutorial. First of all, we see the basics of language. Indentation. In Python, indentation is very important. There are no end and begin delimiters like F and G. Grouping of statements are done on the basics of their indentation. Statements at same indentations are grouped together in a single block. It's recommended to use 4 space instead of caps. Has mark start of comment for single line. Here we have a simple code on the screen. A is equal to 10. If a divided by 10 is equal to 1, then print I think and print the value was and the print is equal to 10. It is actually print. Now we see the concept of string. There is a no character data type in Python. Strings can be quoted in single slash or triple slash quotes. Special character can be inserted by using the escape character n. Some commonly used escape sequence like double slash for a slash in a string, single slash for in a string, single slash in double quoted for in a string, single double slash for a new line, single slash r for carriage return, and many more. Now we see the tuple. Tuple is an immutable ordered sequence of items. Tuples can be considered as constant array. There can have a nesting of tuples one inside other. Elements in a tuple does not have to be same type. Assignment to T is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, ABC 2.34 and 10, 11. Elements can be accessed in way similar to an array. Like example, we initialize T is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, ABC 2.34 and 10 and 11. Then we have print the T of 0, so the value is 1, and then we print the T of 4, so the value is A, B and C, and when we print the T of 6, then the output is 10 and 11. Now we see the list. List is a mutable order sequence of items. Items in a list can be added or removed. There can have a nesting of lists one inside other. Elements in a list does not have to be same type. Assignment to L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, ABC 2.34 and 10, 11. Data access and assignment similar to an array. I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, ABC 2.34 and 10, 11. So we print the I0, so the value is 1, which is the index 0, and then we print the I6, then our answer is 10 and 11, which is the index is 6. Now we see the dictionaries. Dictionaries are containers which stores item in key value pairs. Dictionaries are mutable but does not have any denied sequence. Key can be any integer or string, and value can be any item. As in dictionaries, values can be accessed by using the key. Assignment S to D is equal to F key colon value 1 colon value ABC colon 1234G. Value can be accessed using the key and keys are unique. D is equal to F key colon value 1 colon value and ABC colon 1234. Then we have print the D of Q, so the output is value, and in same way we write the D of 1, then our output is as usual the value. Now we see the index and slices. List, tuple, string and many more can be sliced to get part of a data from them. Index of similar to array index refers to position of data. Slice used to retrieve data within a particular index. We have a small code s is equal to lug manipal, so we have to print s of 0, so our output is l, which is the index is 0. Then we have the print s of 2, so our output is g, because lug means its index is 0, 1 and 2, means the g is situated at position number 2. Then we print the s in the bracket 0 and colon 3. It prints the 0 till to 3 but not including 3, so our output is LUG. Now we see the variables. There no prior type declaration required for variables. A variable can refer to any data type like tuple, list, dictionary, integer, string, complex or any other object. Variables are references to allocated memory. References are always shared. Use function list and old dict to obtain a copy. L is equal to 1234. D is equal to F of key colon LG. Now we print D of key, so our output is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we see the dictionary operation. There are many dictionary operations. D dot has key, it is return the true if key by values exist, else return false. D dot items, it returns the list of two value tuple with the rst element key and second value. D dot keys, it returns the list of all keys in dictionary. In this way, D dot values, D dot iterate times and many more operations in Python languages. We continue the other part of revises in next tutorial. Thank you friends.